So different people have asked me on the Trucking Resources channel here, how do I feel about Bonehead Truckers and the way he portrays the industry and things that he does and things that he shows. And I'm going to address that here today. And actually my opinion about this has changed over time. I'm also going to tell you about a new music trivia thing I have going on here where you have 2 chances to win and you can win some products. I will tell you all about it here. And this today is going to be the first music trivia. Hey everybody, this is Rob with the Trucking Resources channel. So I wanted to talk about this. I've been a subscriber of Bonehead Truckers for a long time, and when I started this channel, it's Trucking Resources, and I wanted it to be anything that a resource that I may be able to provide, whether it be advice, take that for what it's worth, whether it be news that I find out, or maybe something I know that might help other truckers, whatever it is, just resources that may help you in the trucking industry. And I originally said, I am a subscriber to Bonehead Truckers. I said, but I don't want to be the next Bonehead Truckers. We already have one. There's other people out there doing it also. But over time, some things have changed. I originally thought that I didn't really like the way he portrayed our industry, that it shows the bad sides of the industry and, maybe not promoting us the way it should be. And my opinion of that has changed drastically. The more I watch his videos, the more I've gotten to know him. And I don't know him at all. I don't even know his name, actually. But I watch his videos, the more I've gotten to know him through YouTube, the more I feel like he's doing a lot of the same thing I am. And let me explain, but first, let me tell you about what I'm going to be doing here. It was just something I thought would be fun to do, and it's going to be a music trivia. And I'll go over it at the end, but there's going to be 2 kinds of music trivia. It's going to be trucking music trivia, which can be any trucking music trivia of all time. And it'll just be a question, and I'll get into that here at the end. But also, I'm going to do a Tony Justice trivia, which, if you don't know who Tony Justice is, you definitely want to stand by till the end. But let me talk more here about Bonehead Truckers. So the Bonehead Truckers channel is, basically Joe's Bonehead Truckers, which it's pretty easy content to find, hanging out at a truck stop or anywhere, just all over the place. But the more I've watched and the more I've learned about him, the more I've learned that he is just a good old boy trucker from Texas. And in saying that, I hope you understand that I hope I am referred to just a good old boy trucker from Pennsylvania. It's top honor to be just a good old boy in my book. What I've learned from him and his real truckers don't wear flip-flops movement, yeah, it's funny. He has shirts. Real truckers don't wear flip-flops, but it's true. I've also learned that he stands up against some of the biggest problems in this world, which I'm going to say it right here. Foreigners driving trucks without licenses. You've seen it on my channel many times. I actually have another one I'm going to post here in the next couple days. That's one of the big problems. Now he started this movement where he is cracking down against these predatory lease companies. And I'm not talking about Prime, that has lease and lease purchases, or companies like that have forever, CR England has a lease or a lease purchase, and they've been looked down on. These are companies that are truly predatory. He's cracked down big on Super Ego, and now he is going head on against this company, Priority Freight LLC. These are Chicago companies. I'm not going to go over all the stuff, but I was actually shocked and appalled. He actually called up one time to see what they had to offer him for a job, just so he could do the, background info. And it is shocking. They are charging guys thousands and thousands of dollars every week, every single week. And their trucks are riders. They're not even their trucks, they're riders. So some of the other things he stood up to, I love it. I've always been a subscriber of his channel, mainly for entertainment purposes, but I'm getting a lot more out of it. I'm also learning. All right, I watch a lot of truck crash videos, things like that. I think that I learn more from them than a lot of even real world experiences, you can see what happens to other truck drivers. I actually feel, although entertaining, it sends my blood pressure through the roof sometimes. But I really feel that I learn a lot more. I feel that I drive slower in bad weather because of it. I feel that the distance I will keep between me and the vehicle in front of me in bad weather is astronomical, you know, a lot of times because I see what happens to other drivers. So, yeah, if you haven't gone over to Bonehead Truckers channel, if you don't know what it is, go on over there and check it out because he is taking a stand against some things and he's looking for people to also take a stand with him. And I'm with him. These are predatory, horrible, horrible companies that are doing horrible things and they're preying on people that maybe don't know better. And it takes a long time until you do know better than some of these things. It's really a shame. But yeah, so Bonehead Truckers, I'm with you on this. And yeah, I appreciate what you're doing. You know, when you're taking a stand against things, I agree. Real truck drivers don't wear flip-flops, except on the beach maybe, but not in truck stops, not while unloading trucks. You know, if you got to have a hard hat on, flip-flops are not acceptable. So anyway, yeah, that's about all I got to say about that. Just yeah, I felt bad because I originally at one point had thought he was making our industry look bad. Now I absolutely see that he's, you know, showing things in an entertaining way. Plus now he's really cracking down and trying to help fellow truck drivers. So, let's get on to the music trivia that I'm doing now. So, here's this line of Bullsnot products that I'm going to give away. I have over here, Shineable, yep, tire butter and conditioner, Visible, glass cleaner, Visible, glass cleaner, two different kinds. I'll get to that in a second. Dashable and Hideable leather conditioner, leather cleaner and conditioner. There are two different kinds of Visible, and I will post a video here at the end. This one is regular glass cleaner. This is rocket spray, so you can actually stand in front of your truck and spray the windows down. And I am giving away all 5 of these, and I'm actually giving away 2 of them. 2 different prizes. So here's how to win them. I have a Facebook page. Trucking Resources is the Facebook page. You're going to want to go over there and join that page. And at the end of each video I do, now through the end of the year, any video I do, I'm going to do 2 music trivia questions. One is going to be a general trucking song from any time. It's mostly country, but any trucking song. It'll be a question, and you got to answer what the song is, or you know who the person was, or something like that. But it'll be different every time. Then I'm also doing Tony Justice trivia because Tony Justice, I consider him a friend, but he's a good old boy from Tennessee, just like us. He's still a truck driver today, but he's also climbing the charts with trucking music. He's headlining for the first time. He's opened many times at Mid-American Truck Show. He is headlining Mid-American Truck Show this year. I've seen him many times in concert, but not everybody knows who he is. And then there's those like me that are connoisseurs. So we're going to do Tony Justice trivia too. These are 2 separate things. When the video is posted, both questions are going to go on the Trucking Resources Facebook page. First person to answer them gets put down on a list. Everybody that's on that list, it's not who answers the most, but you can answer more than one, and then you get more than one entry. At the end of the year, in fact, I'm going to do it on January 1st, 2025. I'm going to pull randomly 2 sets of winners that are going to win the line of Bullsnot products behind me. You can win them both. You can have as many entries, but it is the first person on Facebook that answers the question. I will put it up on Facebook the same time as the video posts, and we'll go from there. It's just that easy. Make sure you're around. Make sure you can take messages through Facebook to, let you know if you want. But it just seems like something fun to do. Like I say, every video, hopefully I can keep doing it past this. Hopefully it gets a good response. But every video between now and the end of the year, I am going to do these 2 questions. And like I say, the only way to answer, please do not answer in the comments below. That gets you nothing except for make me mad. Do not answer the questions down there. Answer them on the Trucking Resources Facebook page. You'll know the Trucking Resources Facebook page is mine. The cover picture is the exact same truck that I use, you know, for this channel. It's my truck. So anyway, today is going to be the first music trivia, and I'm going to make these a little bit easy. A little bit easy. So the first one, old trucking song, one of the best trucking songs ever. I want to know who lives at 229 Jackson Street. That's a pretty easy one. If you really play it through your head. You may have to jumble the words a little bit, but who lives at 229 Jackson Street? You can answer that under that exact question on my Facebook page, Trucking Resources. Next is Tony Justice trivia, and I'm probably going to talk a little bit about Tony Justice in this. I've learned a lot about him. And Tony Justice's wife was diagnosed with breast cancer. He was trying to build his music career while being a full-time truck driver, and she was diagnosed with breast cancer and was going to have to go into treatment. He decided at that point to quit music. He had to focus on one thing, and that was his wife, Misty. Now, I'm not putting his family business out there. This is something that they are very outspoken about. He tells this story at his concerts, things like that. So they want to raise attention to, you know, breast cancer awareness. They raise a lot of money for Susan B. Komen, things like that. But he quit music to focus on basically trucking to make the money, and his wife. You know, 2 most important things right then was supporting his family and his wife. Music was done. Right before this happened, they had just done one video, and it wasn't released yet. So they put it out there and said, this is our last hurrah, we're done. Well, that video blew up by the grace of God, and because it's one of the best songs ever. It's their signature song, probably. It's the Devil Went Down to Georgia of Charlie Daniels. It's what Tony Justice is known for. So if you know who he is, this is an easy one. What was the song that blew up? Actually carried him through Misty's whole treatment and kept them big enough on the, you know, in the trucking world that he was able to come right back out with a boom. Misty is fine now, and they do a lot to raise money for Susan B. Komen. That will be a separate question. It's going to be on the Facebook page, Trucking Resources. So you can answer that. Either one of them, you can answer both, but the first person to answers it correctly, gets her name written down, and you are now on the list for the Bullsnot products. Like I say, 2 separate ones. One for Tony Justice trivia, one for the music trivia. Sorry to give you the finger there. I just gave you the finger. One, yeah. Anyway, thanks a lot, guys, for watching this video. I got a lot more coming up, and you're definitely going to want to keep watching the videos. You can hear the trivia coming up and what's going to come up. The best way to get my videos right away is to make sure that you subscribe and hit the alert button. That way you know when they come up, so you can be the first on the list to know what the question is. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching, and please comment, but not answers to the question, but please comment. I do read all the comments. I love reading the comments. And I say, if you want to email me, you can, finchresources@gmail.com. And as I already said, I'm on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram under the Trucking Resources name. So thanks a lot, everybody, and I'll catch you on the next one.